Happy International Cat Day today from Miss Jones and Miss Legacy at Legacy's Little Luxuries Arts and Crafts YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. This is the Kay, the talkative one. She is blind and she's a flame point Siamese. And this is Tortellini. She's older. We purchased both of them from Pet Supply Plus. And she's a tortoise shell cat. So happy International Day, August 2019. And subscribe to our YouTube channel while you're watching this video. Head on over to YouTube, subscribe, watch our videos, press the like button. We would appreciate the support. Right, Tortellini? Oh, so Kay says yes. She's even waving to y'all.